Hello children, welcome back to Maths online class. In my last class, we have learned about shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. And we have also learned about edges, corners and sides. Okay, now, today we are going to learn about open and closed figure. See here, see some picture. Have you seen the picture? Now here see, the starting point is this one and I have drawn like this. So here starting point is not same. It is different. It is starting from here and it is ending here. Now if you see this picture, it is starting from here and it is ending also from the same place. Means start point and end point is at the same place. So this where start and end is at the same place, that type of figure is called closed figure. And when start and end point are not at the same place, that type of figure are called open figure. Now this is open figure. This is open figure because here start point and end point does not meet. Here start point and end point is meeting. So this is closed figure. Here also start and end point doesn't meet. So it is open figure. This here starting point and ending point it meet. It is at the same place. So it is closed figure. Got it? Here this is also closed figure. I am writing C for closed figure. Here also this is closed figure. This is open figure because here start point and end point is not at the same place or they don't meet. So it is open figure. Here this is also open figure because start point and end point is different. So it is open figure. Here start point and end point is different. So it is closed figure. So children, you have understand what is open figure and closed figure. Open figure means the start and end point is not at the same place. That is open figure. This is open figure. This is closed figure. Open figure, closed figure, closed figure, closed figure. This is open figure because start and end point is not meeting. So it is open figure. This is also open figure because start and end point is not at the same place. Here it is closed figure. And here this closed figure are simple closed figure. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one closed figure. They are simple closed figure because they are not closing. Like this is not simple closed figure. This figure is not simple closed figure, but here these figures are simple closed figure, and the closed figure are made up of either straight line or curved line, or they are made both curved line and straight line. This was clear for you. Now open your book. See the first question. First question is, you have to open this book, okay? This book you have to open. You must have taken this book from the school. Now page number 9 open. Open page number 9. Here question is, identify the shapes made with straight line. Write yes or no in the boxes. Now here some figures are there. See, in your book some figures are there, and you have to identify whether it is made up of open line or closed line. Sorry, straight line or curved line. It is made up of curved line or straight line. You have to identify that one. This one, then and like these pictures are there. So what you have to do, identify the shapes made with straight line. Here this is not made with straight line, so it is no, right? Don't write no. Here it is made up of straight line, so write yes. This is also not made up of straight line. This is straight line, but this one is curved line. It is made up of both straight and curved line, so write no here, because we want figure only with straight line. This figure is made up of straight lines, so write yes. Finished. Now turn the page, open page number 10. This page number you have to open. Now what is the question? Tick the simple closed figure and cross the closed one. Okay. Now which is simple figure, you have to put a tick. Simple closed figure. Tick the simple closed figures. First one is like this. Yes, this is simple closed figure, so write yes. Sorry, tick mark. Tick here put. Okay, right mark here. Then putting tick. Sorry, here face is there. Down you have to put tick. Now next one is this one. So this is not simple. Put cross here. Again, this one is there like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So this is simple only. Okay, here crossing and all is not there, so it is simple. Next one. You have a tick mark in your textbook. Now next one, D1. It is like this, like this, like this, then it is like this. So this is also simple closed figure. Put tick mark. Next one is, it is not at all closed figure, it is open figure. Like this it is. Something like this. Okay, it is open figure, so put cross. Another figure, though it is closed figure, but it is not simple. It is not simple. Okay, this one, see. This one, can you see? This one, this figure, it is not simple close. It is closed, but it is not simple close. So put wrong here. Put wrong. F1, you have to put wrong. Now, next man, write O for open figure and C for closed figure in the boxes provided. Right? This is question number 2. Exercise is 1.2. This exercise is 1.2. Right? Write O for open figure and C for closed figure. So first figure is how it is like this. So first figure is like this. So it is, sorry, children, not this one. First one, A1 is like how it is, sorry children. A1 is like this. Like this it is. See? This one, it is closed figure. What it is? Closed figure. So you write C over here in the box. You write C. Write C in the box. Can you see? Now, rest you have to do. Rest you have to do. You have to identify whether it is open figure or closed figure, and you have to do. See here, this one, tell me, this is, see here, it is closed figure. So write here C. This is open figure. Okay, can you see? So write here O. Again, this is this one. Okay, here. This one, it is closed figure. Write C. This is also closed figure. Write C. And this one, it is open or closed? It is open. Write O. Then this one, it is closed figure. Write C. This is closed figure. Write C. This one also closed open figure. Here it is open. Down one is open. See. So it is right open figure, right? O. Now children, today what we have learned? Open figure and closed figure. In open figure, start and end point is not at the same place, whereas in closed figure, start and end point is at the same point. Okay. So children, today we have completed these two exercises, and I hope that you have understand this question number 1, exercise 1.2, question number 1 and question number 2 we have completed. And this question number 3, question number 4, you try yourself. Okay. So for today, this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.